Hey guys, we're getting ready to use this Gorilla Super Glue Gel here to fix this 3D printed piece that we broke a little while ago. We already pre-punctured it under here, so just gonna take and put a couple drops very carefully. Try and be really careful to not put too much on here because I don't want too much overflow, but I'm kind of doing it anyway. Got that applied around there. Hold it very still. It says for about 10 seconds. Okay, so I also read the instructions. It said if you use too much, it will take a little bit longer. And I can tell you, I already know I used too much, so I'm just gonna hold it for a few more. It is staying on. I don't want to put too much pressure on it right now, but I am I'm trying to, wiggle it pretty hard, and it's not moving, so it definitely seems like it's gonna do the job. Just note, it does say give it a full 24 hours to cure, so I won't put too much pressure on it right now, but as you can see, it's holding my pieces together and it definitely is working.